Coming up, we're going to break down a health and fitness app that is making over $200,000 a month using AI video ads. Stay tuned. What is up, App Nation? It is CP Young, founder of MadMuscles.com, the app marketing agency that's going to help you really drive distribution and monetization. But today, I want to talk about a company that I've been really paying attention to called MadMuscles. If you're not familiar with the app, I want to show you some interesting details. So the app, according to Sensor Tower, is making over 200,000. I took a look at App Figures. Shout out to our partners there, making 260,000. Also, because I like to be thorough, I looked at Magic.rocks, and they're coming up with 150,000. So roughly around that $200,000 range. Now, keep in mind, all these tools only look at App Store revenues. But MadMuscles, if you go to their Facebook ads library, they're driving a lot of traffic to their web funnel. So it's very interesting here. I can hit learn more, and you start to see their entire web funnel. So my hypothesis is they're doing a lot more revenues. It's just now these tools can't figure out how much MadMuscles is making through the web, because that becomes a little bit harder intel to get. But the main reason I wanted to create this video was to highlight a couple of things and trends that I'm seeing in the app space. Number one, AI videos. I've see it on the data, but I've also heard it from real app founders telling me that their AI video ads are now starting to outperform some of the quote unquote real ones. All right. And MadMuscles, they use a lot of AI video ads. The number two trend, web to app. Now, some of the restrictions with Apple have made it harder to scale a lot faster through Meta, which is what most people are using to drive growth. But if you do a web to app funnel, which essentially means going back to the MadMuscles, so you get people to pay on the web and then use the app. And that's all web to app really means. Get them to pay on the web and then go download the app. And so MadMuscles is doing a lot of web to app funnels. Those, I would say now, three trends are the most popular. Keep it simple, right? Meta for distribution, ads, the creatives, AI video ads, and the third one, web to app. I think that's going to be a huge play, web to app funnels further down the road. Okay. So if you actually want to check out MadMuscles web to app campaigns, you can literally go down here, see all the different programs you have, or go to the Meta ads library and see which ones they're taking into, and then go through their entire flow. It's going to be long. I'm not going to break that down too much here, because this video is meant to really show you the trend of AI video ads. All right. And MadMuscles is doing that. So let's take a look at some of their ads. I'm in the Meta ads library. You can see here, right? And this is the reason why I wanted to highlight them. They're doing so many of these ads right here. I'll kind of pull this up.
If you haven't exercised in years, you have to start small with my beginner-friendly Tai Chi class. 3 reasons every man over 40 should start doing Tai Chi workout today. 1. It's one of the only workouts
you can see some
to help you live longer.
Of the
Seriously,
the little legal disclaimer right here.
2. Just 1 week in, and you'll notice
they do a lot of this. So somebody working out and talking. There's other ones that I'll show you. Here's some ones like right here. Look at this. I'm going to pause here. I really like this. Looking for 10 single men starting May 19th. Go ghost mode for a month. Disappear, train, evolve. No excuses, no weakness. Come back and ultimate beast you in. Really using dates. Okay. Breaking down these ads a little bit. Using dates. Really worth it because it's timely, especially as you start to scale with ads. You want to reach a bigger audience and you're going to have creative fatigue. And so I love this whole philosophy of using dates. You can see some of the ones that they're creating right now. As of this recording, it's mid-May. They're putting like starting June 1st, or for any health and fitness apps and the numbers that we've seen, we have a health and fitness app right now, is obviously like Sundays start picking up. And so Monday, Tuesdays, you get really high activities and you actually get decent activities towards the end of the week. But having, let's start Monday, that's another way that I've seen MadMuscles use their ads. Hey, we start on Monday, let's go. So tying it in with high usage dates for your apps, tying your app ad into the high usage dates of your app, really worth it too. All right, so I'm gonna play this. That's it. See, the rest is just this text. That's something you can create in AI. No problem. No problem. This is so easy. Okay. So let's do that. All right. So I want to show you CreateUGC and kind of show you some of the ads that I've created. Right. I'm going to show you how I created this particular one right here that I love. So let's take a peek at it and I'll show you how to do it as well.
You go to the gym to look strong, but do military-style workouts to actually be strong.
That simple, right? I took some of this messaging that I've seen work well with MadMuscles and use CreateUGC to create this exact type of ad that you can potentially run with this. And if you need to add captions and text, you can do that. You can loop it, so forth, or you can add on top of this. So let's get into how I did just this right now. All right, so we're gonna come here and do new video. Now I added the product manually. If you got an e-commerce site and you got products, you can easily do that here. CreateUGC can actually put the product into the avatar's hands, but I'm gonna do it manually. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste. This is MadMuscles. And you can put a little script here. So I kind of took one of their best performing ads and then just sort of put a script in here. So I took the transcript and just edited it. Now I'm going to upload an image. I was able to get this UI UX from MadMuscles. So I'm going to upload this image. This is going to be the screen that is shown on the iPhone, right? So I'm going to hit continue. Now we're limited to 8 seconds. So if you need anything more than that, you'll just have to create multiple videos and just kind of slice them all together. But we're going with 8 seconds right now. Save your content. Here you can choose. So I'm going after female. You can choose some of the females they already have here. And I did do that and I'll show you that video. Or you can create your own. And I went to ChatGPT and I said, hey, create a strong female in a military outfit where we can see her abs and arms. And they gave me this. This was a really cool looking video. So I'm going to upload her right here. Then you can select the voice. Now, again, I want female and I wanted a strong voice. So I kind of went through everything and looked at the English voice. There's somebody that I really liked. So I'm going to pick her again. And you can listen to all these voices. So I'm going to hit.
Welcome to CreateUGC app, the #1 place for creation of UGC content.
Nicolalia. I don't know if I said that right. Schwartz. I'm going to say Schwarzenegger. Okay. And so I was like, all right, this lady already has a strong name. I liked her voice and I'm going to go ahead and pick her. So now we've got her, the image as the avatar. I've got the voice. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to hit next. It's going to generate the script. Now, personally, and I took this from an ad, so CreateUGC created this script, but I like this script that I grabbed from another MadMuscles creative. So they said, you go to the gym to look strong, but, and I put a pause. So here, you go to the gym to look strong, but, and I put pause, you can insert your pause, do military style workouts to actually be strong, right? So that's the kind of creative that I wanted to go with just based off of the creatives that have worked well for them. So I'm gonna hit next. Okay, confirm, yep, and hit generate. And that got me this particular video. So here's another video that I put together. And this is using some of the avatars that were within CreateUGC. So I kind of did it that way.
I saw results after 1 week with MadMuscles. Beginners, don't wait. This program is magic. Download it now.
They were able to create that. Pretty simple. So you can play around with all this stuff. If you want to add captions, you can hit edit, and then you can start to create some captions here, right? So you can do it through here, or you can do it here and start adding some text if you really wanted to. But I'm not going to do that. I like it the way it is. All right, that is it. So to summarize, Meta for distribution, AI video ads, really starting to outperform normal real ads. MadMuscles, almost all their ads are all AI generated from what I can tell. Okay, this is just one man's personal opinion. And then lastly, web to app flows to drive revenue. And we're starting to see a really big trend towards this for really big apps. They're almost exclusively, same with MadMuscles, exclusively taking users onto a web checkout flow and then getting them to use the app after the user has paid. So once again, Facebook, AI video ads, and web to app for the monetization. Distribution, the ads for that distribution, and then the monetization happening on the web. All right. Thank you to CreateUGC.ai for allowing us to test out their platform and show it off in our videos as well. And if you're ready to start leveraging AI ads, go start creating high converting AI UGC video ads using the link in the description or somewhere on this video. Do that instead of going to CreateUGC.ai directly. Let them know I sent you. They're gonna hook you up. If you're starting to use AI video ads, leave a comment below. And if you've got a question for me or want to see a topic for a future video, please leave a comment below. We do read all of them, myself and Isachu as well. All right, until next time, I will see you on the next video.